Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show how to create a chart based on data selected in Dropdown. Here I have some data in column A and B. So let us see how to create the chart by using this data. For this purpose, here I am creating a drop-down in the cells of E2 and I2. Now I am going to create a name to place the years in the cell of E2. Click on Name Manager, click on New, provided the name as Start Year. I am creating the name for worksheet level. Here I am writing offset formula equivalent to offset. I am considering A2 as reference. Thereafter, I am mentioning 0, 0. Next, I am using CountA function. CountA, selecting the range from A2 to A100. As I am considering single column, I am mentioning as 1. Close the bracket. Click on OK. Now underlying data selecting appropriately. Close. Thereafter, I am providing data validation. Click on Data. Select Data Validation. Select List. In the source, press equivalent to. Thereafter, press F3. Here, list of names will display. Select the Start Year. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now we can find the drop down symbol. Click on that one. We can find the data. My next step is I am going to create one more name for the end year. In I2 cell, I don't want to display all the available years like whatever I mentioned in E2 cell. In this cell, I want to display all the subsequent years from the year which I selected in E2 cell. So that is the criteria that I want to provide. So here already I wrote a formula and mentioned in a Word document. So let me explain that one. Here I am using offset function and considering A2 as reference. Thereafter, I am finding the row number by using the match function in the range of A2 to A100. So in this match function, I am considering E2 as lookup value and A2 to A100 as array, and 0 represents to exact match. And here I mentioned -1 to consider that selected row. Thereafter, coming to columns, here I mentioned as 0. Next I am using CountA function to find all the non-blanks count from A2 to A100. From the retrieved output, I am deducting the selected row of E2 cell. At the end, here I am mentioned +1 to avoid double deduction. As I am considering single column, here I mentioned 1. So this is the brief explanation about this formula. Just I am copying that formula. Click on formulas, click on name manager, click on new, paste the formula, click on OK, select the reference. Now underlying data has been selected by the application. Here we can find application selected the years from the 2017 onwards. So click on close. Next, I am providing the data validation. We can find only 3 years, 17, 18 and 19. Now I am changing the year in E2 cell. I am selecting 2011. Now let us see in I2 cell. Here we can find the refresh drop down. Now years are available from 2011 onwards. Here I am selecting a year. Next, I am creating a name to provide the years data for the chart. For this purpose, I considered reference as A2. Coming to rows, I want to consider the data from the value which I have selected in E2 cell. So, years data has to start from 2011 onwards. To retrieve the value, here I am using match function. I considered E2 cell value as lookup value. Thereafter, I considered the array from the A2 to A100. Next, mention the 0. Thereafter, deducted -1. Coming to columns, I considered 0. And my endpoint is whatever the value selected in I2 cell. For this purpose, first I am extracting the row number by considering I2 cell value as lookup value. From the retrieved output, I am deducting the row number which I have extracted by considering E2 cell value as lookup value. At the end, I mentioned +1 to avoid double deduction. Coming to width, I considered only single column. Click on formulas, click on name manager, click on new, pasting the formula, click on OK. Here we can find application selected the underlying data from 2011 to 2018. Click on close. Next I am creating one more name for sales data. This name entirely depends on year data only. Hence, I considered year data as reference. Thereafter, I am considering as many rows as year consists of. Hence, I mentioned as 0. Coming to columns, I am considering next column to the year data. hence I mentioned as 1. Click on name manager, click on new, selecting sheet 2, thereafter pasting the formula, click on OK. Now we can cross check application considering equivalent rows whatever we mentioned in years data. Click on close. Now I am adding the chart. Click on insert. Now chart object has been created on the screen. Right click. Click on select data. Click on add. I am selecting B2 cell for series name. Next, press equivalent symbol, press F3, click on sales data, click on OK, click on OK. Thereafter, I am providing years data, click on edit, equivalent to, press F3, selecting year data, click on OK, click on OK, again click on OK. If you want to change the color of these points, select these points, select the required color, right click, add the data labels if you want. Now we have the data on the chart from 2011 to 2018. Now I am selecting from 2016 to 2019. You can select the data based on your requirement. So in this way, we can create the dynamic chart based on the data selected in Dropdown. I hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.